In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your archives on your Microsoft account. If you've requested archives for download and you still have them there and want to clear them up, delete them, follow these steps to delete those archives. So you want to go ahead and head over to Microsoft.com, sign into your account and click your account on the upper right and click your account right there. From here, click on privacy on the left hand side and you want to scroll down and choose where you have those archives. So you can choose, for example, browsing history, as I mentioned here, and scroll down and you will find download your data. You want to choose this because this is where those archives are stored. So for example, click on download your data and here you'll be able to find those archives. You can create an archive from here, and once those archives are created, you'll find them here. Just simple click on the delete button right here, click and delete again, and that's how you delete archives on your Microsoft account. Very easy and very simple.